The end of cheap labor.
Cheap labor used to be the ultimate economic weapon, but in 2026, the rules of the game just changed. Today, specialized automation, AI-driven precision, and predictive machine maintenance matter more than sheer manual volume. Across South Asia, textile manufacturing is being rewritten, and the winners won't be those with the cheapest hands, but those with the smartest machines and most adaptable workforce.
Textile automation boom explained.
For decades, South Asian textile power came from labor cost advantages. But that advantage is shrinking fast as automation spreads. Global textile automation investment is booming. The market was valued around $8.75 billion in 2024 and is projected to exceed $15 billion by 2032 as factories adopt AI, robotics, and smart manufacturing solutions. Companies are deploying AI for quality inspection, predictive maintenance, and real-time production optimization. These technologies catch microscopic defects, reduce waste, and speed up throughput, functions once dependent on human eyes and hands.
How AI is replacing repetitive work.
As automation moves from niche to mainstream, the nature of work on the factory floor is shifting. In South Asia, around 45% of textile firms worldwide have already integrated AI systems into operations, and adoption is rising. Routine, repetitive tasks, like basic sewing, sorting, or flaw detection, are increasingly handled by machines. This doesn't mean every job disappears, but the type of work in demand is changing, from manual labor to technical oversight, machine maintenance, and AI system operators.
New power shift in South Asia.
Automation's rise is creating a new competitive landscape. Nations that embrace AI, smart logistics, and sustainability are positioning themselves as the future leaders of textile manufacturing. Rather than relying on low wages alone, countries that invest in digital infrastructure and advanced manufacturing hubs stand to attract luxury and premium brand orders, where precision, traceability, and low defect rates matter most.
The rise of smart looms and AI factories.
At the heart of this shift is the smart loom, an AI-driven weaving and knitting platform that uses computer vision to detect flaws at the fiber level in real time. This dramatically reduces waste and improves quality assurance compared to traditional human inspection. 3D knitting and on-demand customization technologies are also moving the industry away from giant undifferentiated production runs toward personalized, efficient manufacturing, a trend global brands are beginning to prize.
Inside the dark factory revolution.
In many advanced facilities, dark factories, where machines run with minimal lighting and human presence, are no longer science fiction. Supervisors monitor dozens of automated lines from control stations, intervening only when exceptions arise. This new reality elevates roles that require tech skills, robotics maintenance, data analytics, AI model calibration, and systems optimization. Employers now see skilled automation operators as more valuable than large numbers of unskilled laborers.
What this means for workers and economies.
South Asia's textile sector isn't dying, it's evolving. The countries that thrive will be those that invest in skills development, digital infrastructure, and sustainable automation. Workers who adapt and reskill will find new opportunities. Firms that adopt smart technologies will become global leaders.
The future of textile industry. Final insight.
The era of cheap hands is giving way to the era of smart machines, but human ingenuity still matters. Adaptation will define the next generation of industrial leaders. If you want more insights on how technology is reshaping industries and economies, hit subscribe and turn on notifications.